With one foot grounded in time, honored traditions, and the other frequently striding into the entrepreneurial age, India embraces diversity passionately.
India is a cradle of legends and traditions. If on one hand we have the grandeur of legends, then on the other hand, the spellbinding beauty of India leaves people in an awe.
You all must be thinking, what are we both up to, right? So, Samishti, let us unfold the reason of our walk down the memory lane.
Today is 15th of August, one of the most awaited days in every Indian's life. This is 75th, in essence, Diamond Jubilee for India. Truly a great achievement for all of us.
Today, on this very special day, I, Alishba,
And I, Samishti,
of grade 9 salute and extend a heartfelt thanks to all the martyrs who sacrificed their lives so that we all could live in glorified freedom.
So today, Elena's Public School Jhansi has a short program to show its love and respect for our motherland.
How can this important day be started is of great deliberation. What do you say, Samishti?
Without a doubt, with flag hosting, let us all stand up in the honor of the tricolor.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you all. As a country could not have done without leaders, so is with our school, I would like to call our school captain Abhishar Yadav to say a few words.
One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. These golden words were said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, expressing his views that a person can be killed, but not the ideas. With this beautiful line, I, Abhishar Yadav of grade 10, welcome you all on this special occasion of 75th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Today is an important day for our country because this day marks the completion of 75 years of independence. Independence Day is marked as the occasion to celebrate the selfless sacrifices made by our martyrs so that we can live freely on our motherland. Also, as a day to recall all the struggles that our ancestors went through to make India free from the British rule. The blood of martyrs, unless India got freedom, used to haunt the country. But now, that same blood that brings this freedom is as precious as the blood being pumped in every Indian heart at present. Even though Independence Day is observed as a national holiday, but it is expected of students and the employees to attend the flag hosting ceremony held and pay our tribute to all those who brought us this pride. At the end, I would like to say that freedom is the way God intended us. It is something we are born with, something that no one can take away from us. So let's celebrate freedom, but in a different way, and that is by acknowledging our responsibilities. Remember, freedom comes with a hope of bearing our responsibility. And today, I stand here to bear my responsibility as a school captain. I may fall short of words to express my emotions and gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the representative of the school. I extend my sincere thanks to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my schoolmates who have found my capabilities worthy of taking the lead of the school. I thank all the people who trusted me and have put their faith in me. A team is like a tool set. Not one tool can do all the jobs, but together it can. So let's join our hands together with team spirit in the day-to-day functioning of our school and for the well-being of the students. Also, I extend my heartily congratulations to all the members of the Students' Council. Today, on Independence Day, let's make an honest promise to take the school to the greater heights of success. Thanking you once again.
That inspire us to work together towards betterment of our school and country. Thank you, Bhaiya, for such wonderful words.
Let's begin this glorious day by reliving some moments which brought us freedom. Here are students of class 2 impersonated as freedom fighters.
I was popularly known as Shaheed Azam Bhagat Singh. My slogan for India is Inqilab Zindabad. Thank you. Chandrasekhar Azad is a popular freedom fighter who fought for Indian independence movement. I was the first Prime Minister of India. I was born on 14 November 1889. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Good morning everyone. I am Subhash Chandra Bose, a great Indian freedom fighter.
It was superb performance. Dance is yet another form of expression. We have a little Alanites with a foot tapping performance.
Thanks to Nabya, who has shown us that for loving your country we don't need anything special but a pure and loving and dedicating heart. We, the students of Ellen House Public School Jhansi, are celebrating 75th Independence Day. Jai Hind.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी धोंकने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोह तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह तू रंग दे बसंती.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. जय हो जय हो. आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. जय हो जय हो जय हो.
wishing you all happy Independence Day. Our country got independent on 15 August 1947 with the help of our superheroes. Arju, who is our superheroes? Our freedom fighters are our superheroes. In 2020 to 2021, we are born in chain, and this time our ruler is COVID-19 virus. And our freedom fighters or our superheroes, our doctors, nurses, policemen, and our health workers are fighting 24/7 to make us independent of this deadly corona.
My dear friends, we will win. Let's celebrate the Independence Day.
Jai Hind!
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। तलवारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म चलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयजशीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे वंदे
performance. Thank you everyone. We end up today's program with the hope that soon our country will be free with this coronavirus too. Jai Hind.